Dia Ye Kalini, and we're continuing on our theme of Bia, food, and we're going to do all about a birthday party. And at the top it says Lo Breha Suna Dit, which means happy birthday. So I want you to sit back and listen to the little video.
Lá brethe Rory a bhí ann. Bhí sé 9 mbliana d'aois. Bhí sé bís. Bhí cóisir aige ina theach. Tháinig a chairde go dtí an chóisir. Fuair sé bronntanis ó na chairde. D'fhi sé cácha millis agus millseáin. Dól sé cóla. Bhí spórt agus scléip aige.
Now, girls, we're going to read the story, Bí Ag Léamh. After I turn each page, I am going to pause it for a little while, and I just want you to repeat the reading after the man reads it. So off we go.
Bí Ag Léamh.
Lá brethe Rory a bhí ann. Bhí sé 9 mbliana d'aois. Bhí sé bís. Bhí cóisir aige ina theach. Tháinig a chairde go dtí an chóisir. Fuair sé bronntanis ó na chairde. D'fhi sé cácha millis agus millseáin. Dól sé cóla. Bhí spórt agus scléip aige.
Well done to everybody on the reading, Mahu. Now we're just going to listen to the happy birthday song, and of course it's called Lo Breha Suna Dit. So the next time it's somebody's birthday in your family, maybe you could sing it to them as Gaeilge instead of in English. So off we go.
Lá brethe Suna Dit. Can an tárán.
Canhaig mé an tárán. Lá brethe Suna Dit, lá brethe Suna Dit, lá brethe Suna Dit.
Now I'm going to give you a few little questions based on the little story you read. I'm going to ask you the question and you see if you can answer it before I answer it. So, Ivrahain, number 1. Cain Law a bhí ann. What day was it? And the answer is Law Breha Oisín a bhí ann. It was Oisín's birthday. Now try this one, number 2. Cain Ish a. How old was he? And the answer you should have given is Bhí sé 9 mbliana d'aois. Number 3. On Rev áthas Oisín. Was Oisín happy? And the answer you should give is Bhí áthas Oisín. The next question. Cé a tháinig go dtí an chóisir? Who came to the party? And the answer you should have given is tháinig a cháirde go dtí an chóisir. His friends came to the party. The next question. Can you remember this? Cad a di siad. What did they eat? And the answer is di sé cóca millis agus milseán. And the last question. Cad a dól sé. And the answer you should have given is dól sé cola. So well done, girls, mahu, and well done for all of you for trying and for doing your Léithreachtaíocht reading. Mahu.